This is a picture of the main control box of our machine. In my previous video, I explained these electrical parts in the order of electric current flows. In this video, I'm going to tell you about these electrical parts. These are called relays. So, the purpose of this video is to help you understand the reason why relays are necessary and how they work. By the way, in my next video, I'm going to tell you about this electrical part called a PLC. So, after you watch all of these 3 videos about this control box, you will know how this control box starts and stops a motor. And also, we will know, for example, how this control box reciprocates a pneumatic cylinder. So, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell to get uploaded for my next video. Well, let's get started. As I have already told you, these electrical parts are our main topic today. They are called relays. I can say all machines have relays. So, if we would like to know how a control box operates the machine, we must know about relays well. So, let's take a closer look. Each of these is a relay. This shape is different from the others, but this is also a relay. This relay is bigger than the others, and which implies that this relay is able to send larger amount of electric current than the others. I'm sorry, I have been using the word relay many times, but what is a relay? At first, let's just see how a relay works. Here is a structural drawing of a relay. As you can see, the left terminal and the right terminal are not connected with each other. But if we connect a battery to the coil in the relay, the coil will become a magnet. And then the magnet pulls this metal part in the middle. Eventually, the middle part goes down. Now, as you can see, the left terminal and the right terminal are connected with each other. This is the fundamental mechanism of a relay. Well, you may be feeling like, so what? No rush. In this video, you will find the reason why this mechanism is useful. So, let's move on. There are a lot of different kinds of relays. For example, this is also a relay. The coil is not applied voltage, but the terminals are connected with each other. If you send electric current through the coil becomes a magnet. And then the magnet pulls this metal part in the middle. Eventually, the middle part goes down. Now, the left terminal is disconnected with the right terminal. Did you find the difference between this relay and this relay? Here is the difference. It's simple, isn't it? I will show you another kind of relay. Here it is. This relay has some contacts, as you can see. At this moment, the upper side contacts are open, and the bottom side contacts are closed. What will happen if you send electric current through the coil? As you can guess, the coil will become a magnet, and then a metal part in the middle above the coil will go down. Just now, the status of these contacts have changed. Do you think this relay is interesting? A machine definitely has some kinds of relays. But why are relays so necessary for machines? I'm going to give you 2 useful points of relays. Imagine a spy movie. If a security guard finds an intruder, the guard will push down the emergency button. Now, you can guess what will happen. You have already known how a relay works, right? Well, this coil will become a magnet, and then this metal part in the middle will go down. Just now, these contacts have turned connected. So, the emergency light will turn on. The emergency alert will start beeping, and the motor for security shutter will start rotating. The security guard can easily protect the building because the only thing the guard has to do is to push down this emergency button. Do you agree? This time, let's think about the situation where the security system doesn't have any relays. What does the security guard have to do if the guard finds an intruder in this situation? The security guard will become super busy because the guard will have to push down all of the buttons one by one. Now you understood the importance of relays, didn't you? I will give you the other useful point of relays. If you use a relay, you will be able to control large amount of electric current with small amount of electric current. This drawing is showing what that means. I'd like you to compare the size of this battery and this battery. This battery is small, so if you turn on this switch, small amount of current will flow through this coil, and this coil becomes a magnet. So this switch will turn on, and then large amount of current will flow through this motor. This part is absolutely divided from this part. So even if you would like to start a super large motor, like a motor in a dam, what you need to do is to just push a small button. And then the super large motor will start rotating. Do you agree that relays are useful? I'm sure that you understood why relays are so necessary, and also you understood what relays are. The next video will be telling you about what we'd like to know most. I mean, the main topic will be about this electrical part called a PLC. After you watch the video, you will understand how a control box starts and stops a motor. and also how a control box reciprocates a pneumatic cylinder. In addition to that, you will understand how a control box uses relays for a machine to work. Let's call it a day. See you in my next video.